Well, it was a very progressive education program. They didn't give us the usual education courses. They had us learn what is called a core curriculum, which is a problem solve. You plan a project with the kids, and as they tried to solve the problem, they learned the subject matter. It was very progressive. And also, they took us on trips to study segregation in the South. The first time, they didn't tell us. They said, who wants to go on a trip to a Southern college, and we're going to study segregation in education. So I volunteered.
This was in the late 50s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I volunteered, early 50s, right? Yeah, when there was total segregation in the South. So I said, yes, I'd like to go, and I went, and a whole busload of us went. And we landed at a university that we were going to stay at for a while at night, and got out of the bus, and all the students from the college there came out they were all black. I said, nobody told us we were going to an all-black university. Well, we said you're going to Kentucky State College. We didn't know at the time that whenever the word state followed the state name, it was an all-black college. So Virginia State, Kentucky, University of Kentucky was white, State University was black. Virginia State was black, University of Virginia white. So that was a shock for them too, because nobody told them that we were going to be white. So that first evening we were assigned to a roommate from each of us to a different roommate from that school. We stayed up all night talking about what it was and about issues of race and so forth. They found out I was interested in jazz and so many black musicians that I knew, and they came in with records, and we stayed up all night listening to jazz. It was a fantastic experience.